question number 10. So this question is from mixtures. A mixture P is formed by removing a certain amount of coffee from a coffee jar and replacing the same amount of cocoa powder. Okay. The same amount is again removed from mixture P and replaced with same amount of cocoa powder to form a new mixture Q. If the ratio of coffee and cocoa in the mixture Q is 16:9, then the ratio of, okay. Initially, mixture P was formed by removing a certain amount of coffee from a coffee jar. Initially, we had only coffee. Then, to form mixture P, we took some coffee and same amount of cocoa powder. Then we further did the removal and replacement. Okay. So, in the removal and replacement questions, we have a formula that if we have initially certain amount, okay, let's say initially initial amount, whatever it was, let's here it is coffee. Initially we have only coffee. So for that, coffee left divided by total, this ratio is equal to x minus y divided by x की power n. So here x is the initial volume of V, volume of coffee, and Y is the removal, whatever the amount is removed, and N is number of times. So here we have the final ratio of coffee and cocoa as 16:9. So we know that coffee left is 16 and total is 16 plus 9, that is 25. It is equal to x minus y divided by x. We did this process two times, so n will be equal to 2. The square will go this side. It will be 4 by 5 is equals to x minus y upon x. We'll further solve it. It will be 5x minus 5y is equals to 4x. So from here y is equals to 1 by 5 of x. So now we know as y is the amount removed, it is 20% of x. So the removal was 20% of the volume. So if initially it was 100, then 20 was removed, then 20 was cocoa and 80 was coffee. If initially the coffee was 100, then 20% of coffee was removed and we put cocoa in that, same amount of cocoa. In the second replacement, we again did the same thing. 20% of this is removed. It will remain 64. Coffee has become 64, so remaining 36 is cocoa. So they asked the ratio of cocoa and mixture P and Q. So this was the mixture P and this is Q. In P, the cocoa was 20 and in Q, it is 36. So the ratio will be 5:9. So the answer is option 4. This question was also a doable and easy question. Only what we need is this formula. Okay, so let's move to the next question.